What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about enabling Firefox single sign-on using an Intune policy. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about creating an Intune policy to use single sign-on within Firefox. I like Firefox. It's one of my favorite browsers. The first thing that we need to do is grab the GPO template. Now, when I say GPO, it's basically the ADMX and the ADML, right? The language as well as the template, the administrative template for Firefox. We're not going to be using those locally. We need to import them into our tenant. So we are going to head over to this website. Bam, here. Awesome. We're going to scroll down and we are going to click on policy templates version 7.5 zip. We're going to click on that. It's going to download. We're going to open up the location of where the zip file was dropped into, which for me was my downloads folder, which would be right here. Bam. We're going to right click on it. We're going to select extract all. We're going to click on extract. We need to get into the Windows folder, and those two ADMX files, those are the ones that we need, as well as the ENUS. EN would be English, United States. Inside that folder, you will get the language files as well for these two administrative templates. Let's log into our Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Bingo. On the left-hand side, let's click on Show All. Let's click on Microsoft Intune. On the left-hand side, let's click on Devices. Underneath By Platform, we're going to click on Windows. Underneath Manage Devices, we are going to click on Configuration. We need to import them. So rather than starting inside the Policy tab, we're going to click on Import ADMX. We need to click on Import. We need to import the ADMX file. So we're going to click on the folder, that little blue folder. I'm going to go into the Downloads folder. I'm going to open up the Policy Templates folder. I'm going to go into the Windows folder. And the first one that I'm going to select would be the Mozilla. Do that one first. Click on Open. Excellent. Now for the language, same thing. Click on the folder. We're going to go to the ENUS. I'm going to select the Mozilla language file and click on Open. Excellent. On the lower left-hand side, we're going to click on Next. And we're going to click on Create. On the upper right-hand side, it is going to say, your template was successfully created. Rinse and repeat. Do the same thing with the Firefox one. It's going to start saying upload to progress. Give it some time. Underneath the status column, both of them should say available. Green check mark, which is great. Now let's head over to the Policies tab. Let's click on Create. Let's click on New Policy. You're going to get a sidebar. We're going to click on the platform dropdown, and we're going to click on Windows 10 and later. For the profile type, let's click on the dropdown, and we're going to select templates. Now we're going to type in template, and we're going to select the second one, imported administrative templates. At the very bottom, we're going to click on Create. Let's give our profile a name. On the lower left-hand side, let's click on Next. And it is time for us to configure. I'm going to search something. So I'm going to type in the following. Windows SSO. And there it goes. Windows SSO. Make sure that the path states Mozilla Firefox. So we are going to select it. As soon as you select it, you're going to get a sidebar on the right-hand side. And we're going to click on Enable. And then click OK. We're going to click Next. For tags, I typically don't add tags, so I'm going to click Next here. For assignments, I'm going to click on Add Groups, and I'm going to select my group, and I'm going to click on Select. On the lower left-hand side, I'm going to click on Next. Nice little review. Click on Create, and on the upper right-hand side, Policy Save. Give it some time. And then you will see your new profile or your policy. Great. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.